is the news? So I'm finally back to recording, and first things first, I'm going to be doing a hair mask. I'll be doing a palm oil hair mask that is really effective for reviving dead hair, for reviving old hair. So into this hair mask, I'll be doing a palm oil treatment using a palm oil hair mask. Yeah. And then I'm going to be doing that on my hair. The reason I'm doing this particular hair mask is because it revives hair, and then I've carried my hair like this for about 3 weeks. I haven't washed in 3 weeks, going on 4. So I decided to quickly do this hair mask to revive my hair before I style it. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. And for this hair mask, I'm going to be using, the dominant ingredient is palm oil, and then I'm going to be using eggs for protein. So I have my bottle of palm oil here with me. I got this from a store around my neighborhood. And the thing about palm oil is, so this is it. The thing about palm oil is it settles. Once you put it into your container, it settles this way. So you have the lighter part of the oil on top, and then the heavier part is at the bottom. So I have to shake that so that everything mixes up before I start using it for my mask. Next, I have my 2 eggs. I'll be using 2 eggs for my hair, although I usually use like 3, depending on the protein treatment I'm doing. For this one, since the dominant ingredient is palm oil, I'll be using just 2 eggs. And then I have my bowl and a spoon. You can use a fork or a metallic spoon, but I have this plastic one. So it's very simple. I won't be able to show you guys the process, but all you have to do is basically break both your eggs into your bowl, and then you mix it with an even amount of palm oil. I'll let you guys know the quantity of palm oil I use, but I'm just going to break the eggs into this bowl and then add my palm oil to it. So for this mask, I ended up using this quantity of palm oil. This is about 5 to 8 tablespoons of palm oil, and then I mixed that with my 2 eggs. I didn't separate the whites from the yolk. I just used it like that, and then I had this liquid mixture. I'm going to divide my hair into 2 equal parts like I usually do. Secure one part away and then start working with the other. My hair is actually really shrunken, you guys. So I'm just going to be working it with medium-sized sections, I'm going to be working in medium-sized sections, you guys. And then because I was working, like, I placed my mixture on a lower platform. I wasn't able to show you guys how I applied, but I basically dipped my fingers into the mixture and then applied it on my hair from my scalp to my ends. Palm oil is one of my favorite ingredients to include in a hair mask because it's very popular in Nigeria and it's found basically everywhere in the country. So this is my hair after applying the mask to the first section. I'm just going to go ahead and twist up this section and then proceed to do the same for the rest of my hair. Let me tell you guys a little about palm oil. Palm oil comes from palm fruit, which comes from palm trees, and although there is a bit of procedure involved in extracting the oil from the fruit, palm oil is known to contain vitamins A, E, and K, and it's excellent for cooking. Actually, you can use it to cook. We use it here in Nigeria to cook a ton of foods, and then because it's good for ingestion, it's also good for, I don't know who discovered that it can be applied to hair, but it has actually been used by several people all over the world in hair masks, in hair creams. and it's very good that way. So for hair, some of the benefits of palm oil include adding extra sheen or shine to dry hair. It restores moisture to your hair, and then it aids hair growth and it makes your hair stronger and thicker. It also reduces itching. And because I use palm oil and eggs for this, we all know the benefits of eggs. Eggs are an excellent source for shine. They're an excellent source of moisture, and they also make your hair thicker. They make your hair strands stronger, and they also reduce frizz. So since both ingredients are excellent for hair growth, I decided to mix both of them and then see the results that I'll get. And so far, to be honest, I'm not regretting it. My hair was super soft by the time I finished applying this hair mask, and I could see the mask going to work straight away. So I'm done applying the mask to my entire head. This is what it looks like. It can be quite messy, so I advise if you're going to do this mask, you should put on a top or a dress or something that you want to dispose of or you don't care about staining. After applying the mask to my hair, I went ahead and covered my head with a plastic bag, and then I carried that for 2 hours. So I washed my hair, I washed the palm oil out of my hair, and this is my hair after washing. I went ahead to apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I sealed that in with my homemade shea butter mix. For the leave-in conditioner, I used my Mamiya Organics leave-in strengthener. I'm going to link the review in the description box. And this is the hair mix, the DIY shea butter mix I used. The entire process of applying the hair mask took me about 1 hour because I had to detangle my hair. But after I finished, the rest of it was easier. After applying the hair mask and waiting 2 hours, I actually used just shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair out. So after applying my leave-in conditioner and my hair butter to my hair, I made sure to massage both products into each section like so. By doing this, I was just making sure that each section received an even distribution of product from my scalp to my roots, and I was also ensuring that the section was very properly moisturized and it turned out extra soft. So after that, I went ahead to brush my edges, and that was it. That'll be all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the section below, and then share this video with all your friends. Thank you.